Welcome. Today we are going to learn about appendix. Appendix is a narrow worm-like diverticulum which arises from the posterior medial wall of cecum about 2 cm below the ileocecal junction. The appendix varies in length from 2 cm to 20 cm and average width is 0.5 cm or 5 millimeter. It is more in children than adult and often obliterated after mid-adult life. Parts of appendix: base, body and the tip. Base is attached on the posterior medial wall where the all tinea coli will converge, and body is between the base and tip. Tip is a least vascular blind part of the appendix and it is blind end. Surface anatomy. If we divide abdomen into 9 parts, this is right ileocolic. It is a right ileocolic part. In that, appendix will be present at the point of McBurney's point. At McBurney's point, appendix will be present. Blood supply. Arterial supply by the appendicular artery, a branch of inferior division of ileocolic artery. A branch of inferior division of ileocolic artery. And also by the artery of Seshachalam. Seshachalam is a name of the scientist. Venous drainage. The vein corresponds to the artery and drains into the superior mesenteric vein, which in turn drains into the portal vein. Now, positions of the appendix that are retrocecal or retrocolic, splenic that is pre-ileal or post-ileal, promentric, pelvic, midinguinal, paracolic. Retrocolic or retrocecal is a 12 o'clock position, splenic is 2 o'clock position, promentric is 3 o'clock position, pelvic is 4 o'clock position, midinguinal is 6 o'clock position, paracolic is 11 o'clock position. Paracolic, the appendix passes upwards on the right side of the ascending colon. It is in case of 2% of the people, that is paracolic. Retrocecal or retrocolic, this is 12 o'clock position. The appendix passes upwards behind the cecum and ascending colon. It is common in 65% cases. Splenic position. The appendix passes upwards and medially in front of the ileal or behind the ileal. In front of the ileal, that is pre-ileal, this is in case of 1% people, and post-ileal in case of 0.4% people. Promentric. The appendix passes horizontally and downwards towards the sacral promontory. The position is very rare. It is less than 1%. Pelvic, this is 4 o'clock position. The appendix descends downward and medially and crosses the pelvic brim to enter the true pelvis. In female, it may be related to the right uterine tube, that is fallopian tube. It is the second most common position. It is 31%, that is pelvic, 31% of the cases. 31% pelvic. And 6 o'clock position, that is midinguinal. The appendix passes vertically downwards below the cecum and it occurs in 2% of the cases. And the point of appendix surgically we can point by McBurney's point, which is which is at the midpoint between anterior iliac spine and umbilicus. Between the McBurney's point, we can mark where the surgeries for appendix will take place. Nerve supply for appendix. The sympathetic nerve supply, which carries the pain sensation from the appendix, is derived from T10 spinal segment, and due to in appendicitis cases, the referred pain will occur at umbilicus because both are T10 segmental, both are same segmental nerve supply, that is T10 spinal segment. The sympathetic nerve supply by the T10 spinal segment, and parasympathetic nerve supply is derived from both the vagus nerve. And appendicitis is an inflammation of appendix. The acute appendicitis is a common occurrence and a surgical emergency, and the initial pain, that is repulsive pain, occurs at umbilicus region because both have same segmental nerve supply. And during surgery, incision is taken at McBurney's point, which is the midpoint between umbilicus and anterior superior iliac spine. And appendectomy. The incision for appendectomy is purely based on anatomy of the anterior abdominal wall. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.